Hey guys, so I was cleaning this room and do you know what I got? A brand new Sony speakers. Actually, these were in this room for like 4 years or maybe I don't know, 4 to 5 years. It's brand new. Nobody has used this, so I'm gonna be unboxing this today. So first unboxing our channel. So let's go. So let's unbox the headphones. And I actually like the packaging, Sony's packaging. So it is having 40 mm driver unit, reproduces natural powerful bass, approximately 20 hours of playtime with 4 hours of charging. Okay, so let's unbox. Actually, unboxing is quite simple. Just open the lid, open this, open that, and you just pull it. The speakers are inside this. Let me keep it aside. So we open this. Oh, here are the speakers. Warranty manual, something like that. Man, these are the speakers. Oh, sorry, I've been telling speakers. Headphones. Awesome. Seems to be a little bit big, so let's keep it aside and let's open this. Okay, so here it has the USB cable for charging and an audio cable or aux or whatever you want to call it, and some manual which we are not going to use, obviously. So these are the headphones. It's nice. So it's having volume button here. You can also attend calls and next pause button, everything. It has a mic and audio input for charging and bass booster button and power on button. I hope there's charge in it, so let's turn it on. Okay, so these are the headphones, and obviously they are adjustable, and this is how it looks in my head. Nice, a good quality cushion or whatever you call it. Come on man, it's Sony, quality is awesome always, like always. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so before we test it, let me just open the aux cable. So this is the length of the aux cable. It's quite big, and this one will be comfortable for gamers to plug in and play. And this is the charging cable, USB cable. So let's open this. It's quite short, but it's fine. Now let's test the headphones. So actually battery low, so I've connected it with aux, so I hope you guys don't mind. First let me check. It's nice. If I keep on full volume, the background noise is not getting, it's good. Okay, so you guys here. So this is how it sounds on full volume. On medium it sounds like this, which is fine. This headphone, 5 out of 5. For today's video, and I hope you guys like the unboxing, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and turn on notifications so as we on the next video. Bye bye.